Pinterest ads tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with Pinterest ads. So what exactly is the purpose of running ads on Pinterest and how can you create some effective ads? Well, if you're promoting your own website, if you're promoting your own product or affiliates, then running ads can be a great way to get your website name out there or to just get the overall name of your platform out there or your product or your service. The way that you're going to do that is first off, just sign on into Pinterest. Then you guys can see this is my profile and then I have created an ad account already. Now, if you don't have an ad account, you will need to create a brand new ad account. I am using a business account for this. However, if you're on a personal account, you can always upgrade that to a business account completely for free. Pinterest does not charge you any money to upgrade your account to a business account. Now, once you've created your account, you will see on your top left, you can see ad reporting, creating campaigns, as well as your ad account overview. So you can go into your ad account overview over here and you will see different benchmarks, including your ad spend, impressions, paid pin clicks, CPM, which is the average cost per 1K paid impressions, and then your CPC, which is the average cost per pin click. This is what you ideally want to be very high because you're trying to get as many people to purchase your product or to visit your website or just perform the call to action, whatever it might be. So that's what's, really important whenever you are setting up, your account and whenever you're trying to promote your product. So once we have created our ad account, we can get started with our campaign. Now you have two options. You can get started with a campaign or you can create one pin just for an ad. I'm going to click on create campaign over here to get started with my campaign. And then you're going to choose the basic objective of your campaign, if it's conversions or consideration. Then you're going to click on next and you have two options. You can select pins from boards or paid partnerships that you've already posted and directly promote them. Or you can create a brand new collection of pins, carousels, or any other type of content that you want to be promoting. So you can go on ahead and opt for whichever option you find the most, the easiest for you. Now, personally, if I already have sponsored content, I just like to promote that, but we're going to get started with a brand new pin today. And this will open up our pin. Now, you have two options within your pins. You can create ad-only pins that are automatically saved to a protected ad-only board, or you can create a general pin. This means that this pin would be accessible natively. So if someone just searches for, a certain type of pin and they find this, they would organically come across this as well. However, if you want to have a certain type of pin where it's only accessible via an ad, you can turn that on as well. Now, after that, you're going to title your pin. So for us, let's say I am promoting my blog post. So this is going to be called Melt Away Stress. And I'm going to write a description, the top product to relax your shoulders and improve posture. And then you're going to create the image of your pin. Over here, I like to use Canva to build my Pinterest images, because if you're directly uploading images, then it just doesn't look as good. So instead, just go into Canva and search for Pinterest pin, and you will find several different types of pin styles that you can opt for. I just like to go with something that is going to suit the overall aesthetic that I'm, opting for. I like it very feminine and wellness based, so I would just find something appropriate. I'm just going to go with this one over here and then click on customize this template. Once I click on customize this template, I can proceed with customization of my template. So I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and I'm going to change the text to melt away stress. And then I'm going to delete this over here and then remove the images. And then I would add something like massage. And then I'm just going to go, or posture. And I'm just going to find some appropriate images that are relatable. Let's say I'm also going to search for maybe the gym or Pilates And I'm just going to use several of these like so. Then I would just click on download. Obviously, you're going to be using your own images for your own product or your service. Then go back into Pinterest and then upload your pin here. So I'm just going to be uploading my pin, and then you're going to add your destination link. So obviously your destination link is going to be the link to your website or your affiliate link. Copy that over here and add that. Then you can click on create carousel if you want to add multiple pages, but I just want a singular page. So I'm just going to click on publish over here. Once I click on publish over here, we're just going to be proceeding, and then you can proceed with your publishing. We have our board ID, and I'm just going to be going ahead. I'm just going to select my board ID, then click on publish, and then you can click on next to proceed on to the next step of your campaign. So on the left, you will have your campaign name, your campaign goal, which is to click on add, any age restrictions or any location targeting that you want to apply. Once done, click on set up billing so that you can set up billing for your Pinterest ad account. Obviously, for your ad account, you do need to have some type of ad account information and verification. So just fill in all of these details, and once you've filled in all of these details, your ad account will be verified and you can proceed with running your paid campaigns on Pinterest. And that is how you can create your own ad campaigns. And if you want to directly create individual pins for ads, you can just search for that as well, and then proceed with creating individual pins for your ads. And that is how simple it is to get started whenever you're building your campaigns on Pinterest. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. Also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.